recorded in this video is an interesting, eclectic collection of marine critters of Sydney's Cabbage Tree Bay, Manly. Tropical species like the green turtle, threadfin butterfly fish, and a cameo appearance from the mangrove jack. They all coexist with temperate water species, the giant cuttlefish, southern eagle ray, and red snapper. As you can see, green turtles are not green in colour, but brown. Their diet progresses from a more juvenile carnivorous one to a herbivorous one as they mature. Their green colour relates to their fat, which acquires its green colour due to the chlorophyll in their plant diet. Their underwater breath hold is nothing short of amazing, up to 5 hours when sleeping. To achieve this, their heart rate slows to up to 9 minutes between heartbeats. Here you can gain some insight into the types of habitats that the marine critters can occupy: sand, kelp, seagrass, or the dissected jointed Hawkesbury sandstone, which provide caves and crevices as shelter to many different species. A commensal relationship, whereby the black spot goatfish does all the bottom foraging work while the Maori wrasse is along for any free pickings. The goatfish's barbels off its mouth are sensory organs, enabling it to detect worms and small crustaceans which it forages for and eats. The threadfin butterfly fish is a tropical species, but has become a not uncommon resident of Sydney's Cabbage Tree Bay. It uses its deep body shape in combination with pectoral fin propulsion to be a master of manoeuvrability, as it has demonstrated here. The red snapper is a very circumspect and wary species which taxes one's cunning to the utmost to get in close to video. Early morning, the best time, whether fishing, spearfishing or underwater videography. All these video clips, except for the green turtle, were shot in the early morning. The giant cuttlefish expels a jet of water out of its siphon, located under and behind its head. From Newton's third law, the water jet exerts a force on the water, which in turn exerts an equal but oppositely directed force on the cuttlefish, thus propelling it through the water. It also uses its side fins for propulsion, which are not only effective, as seen here for cruising, but also optimise its manoeuvrability. Intriguing is how the cuttlefish draws its tentacles in about a longitudinal axis to form an arrow shape. This hydrodynamic shaping reduces the cuttlefish's frontal resistive area and hence frictional drag. Consequently, a reduction in its expended work energy while swimming leads to an increase in its resultant kinetic energy output. More critters of Cabbage Tree Bay. These are not species endemic to Cabbage Tree Bay, but are found along the entire East Australian coast. They aggregate in large numbers, especially on the weekends in summer, much to the dismay of some of the benthic marine life there.